Let's turn on my camera as well. I forgot to. Hello. Okay.
So, how was your vacation, Alan?
Yeah, it was fine. It was uh, just 1 week, but it was really cool. Actually, my camera is terrible. I don't know what happened to this laptop configuration. The camera is very saturated, and I need to close the curtain to
The
get
the
it.
curtain is closed?
No, it's open.
Ah, okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's turn off it,
Mm-hmm.
and I will open the curtain. Okay, I think now maybe it will be a little bit better, but I don't know if it improves too much. Let's see. You know if the Henner is coming, Henner, because
I think
it's
he's how
okay.
I say this in English.
Warped as well, not?
No, no, he's como fala? Com vergonha. I don't
Ah,
remember.
he's shy.
Yes, I think he's shy.
Uh,
I send message for him.
yeah. So uh, I don't know if Rodrigo saw the previous uh, live for
Not
yeah.
sorry. So just the beginning of the live I followed. Then I need to do something else. So,
Mm-hmm.
but I see the beginning.
Yeah.
Uh, I didn't see the part of the SD card. So,
Mm-hmm.
but the beginning I did see that.
Yeah. Actually, we can do the same here, and so let to do it now using our
Okay.
board. Um,
Let me share my screen.
yeah, if you
Okay.
can, please share your
Mm-hmm.
screen and
Uh, okay.
yeah, nice. Like we can see the board now. Always on top. Yeah, cool. So
Is this the size of the font for this terminal is okay?
yeah, I think you already keep it configured, right? Right, you
Yeah,
didn't.
it's the same as the previous
Yeah, yeah.
live. So,
It's good.
It's okay.
Yeah,
I see in YouTube here. How
oh,
is okay?
okay.
yeah. So the idea is to start like we did in the previous live. We'll start using the
Oops,
what you did.
I was in the wrong
Ah,
directory.
wrong. Yeah,
So
we
let's
need to.
make this clean.
Yeah,
Right.
we need to move one more. Now our idea for today is just uh, use the ZModem over the USB. So the idea is start using the USB NSH configuration, and from that we enable the ZModem, the TMP, FS, and so on. So,
Okay.
okay.
So let's. So I already did the make this clean. Just one question, Alan.
Mm-hmm.
I think in last live you mentioned about there's some library installed in my computer that is changed the way the make menu config is showed.
Correct.
I didn't uninstall that. I don't remember what lib is that. So do you think you need to do this now, or you can proceed and do this in a
Um,
little a
i
later?
Actually, it's up to you. Just to clarify, this library that I was talking about, it is the kconfig lib is a kind of k front end implemented in Python. So in theory, this is a good thing because this library um, is updated and so on, but it has some drawbacks. For example, uh, it it doesn't have a good searching algorithm. For example, when you type config the symbol name, it cannot find the symbol because you start with config. You need to, for example, if you want to search for uh, config fs vfat, you need to, instead of put config file system and so on, you just put the file system name. So this way, it is uh, it is sometimes difficult to copy, to understand. René just
Okay.
arrived. Hello, René. Welcome to our live. And
Hello.
hello.
Hi, René.
Hi.
René.
Okay, so let's move if this did installed. We don't want to
Yeah, I think you can keep it if you want. There's not big deal. No
okay.
problem. Yeah.
Just a comment, a side comment. Uh, did you get a new microphone? Because I was listening to your live in the YouTube and your voice is very good now.
Oh, thank you. Actually, I go to how to say in English, phonoaudiolog.
No, it's not
Not
bad.
joking. Yeah, I'm using better microphone now. Is USB microphone actually, and it seems is a little bit better. Yeah, and I don't know about the level. It it's the volume is higher now as well, right?
Yeah, on the YouTube it was very good, very
Uh,
good.
Great, good to know.
Okay,
Yeah,
so let's proceed with
yeah,
our job here. So I will configure the USB and SH as the
Mm,
base for our.
yeah. Because as you as you show, your board is connected over USB, right? So
Yeah, this
we,
time just the USB.
yeah, instead use the NSH over serial, we use over USB.
Okay,
Oh,
perfect.
perfect.
And now let's make the make menu
Make menu
config so you
config.
can.
Yeah.
Okay, unfortunately I didn't remember. I think it was on applications and
No,
something.
actually, let's start with the file system.
Okay,
Move back. Go to the middle of the screen. File systems.
file systems.
The
Okay.
middle. In the middle. Yeah.
I think there's a little delay again because.
Ah, yeah. You
Yeah.
was already
Okay.
there, probably.
Yeah. Okay.
N-
But that's problem. Let's continue. So now,
Move down
okay.
and search for TMPFS.
TMPFS. TMPFS. Okay.
Yeah, you
That
found.
one.
Yeah, select it.
Okay.
We don't need to change these others block size or anything else.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can
Okay.
exit. Yeah, can
Go
like
back, right?
go back and
Okay.
move down to application configuration.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
move down to system library and NSH add-ons. System library.
okay.
Yeah, and move to the bottom, to the final, and select the ZModem.
ZModem comments.
Mm-hmm.
And in
Yeah.
ZModem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Enter inside it and change the receive buffer size, maximum packet size, and send buffer size to the double of this.
Okay. So
One STM32F401RC. Yeah.
Okay. So the receiver
Oops.
buffer size, the maximum packet size, and also the send buffer size, right?
Yeah, you did a mistake in the second option.
Oh,
See.
yeah. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all,
Uh,
right? That's correct, George.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I think it's okay.
Yeah.
I prepared the examples and
Okay.
send you in the WhatsApp to execute the command.
Right. Yeah.
thank.
So that's all. Now you can exit
Okay.
and save.
Okay. Yes. Save it. Let's make it.
Yeah. Make dash J. Yeah. Is print some. Okay. It is the legacy pin. We need to fix later. Yeah. But it's okay. Now you can flash it.
Okay. Let's put the.
Put the board in. You move the board window again. Yeah. Put the board in
Oh, guys,
the DFU mode.
just a sec. Just a second, please.
Uh-huh.
The headset starts to. Just a second.
George,
Okay.
if you want to mute your microphone now because your dog is playing
Oh,
around.
sorry.
No problem.
So I'll put the board in
Mm,
bootloader mode. So
yeah,
press
press
boot
boot and
and
reset.
press reset.
Okay.
Now let's do the mask,
Mm-hmm. Good idea.
just in case there's someone. So here's it.
Yeah, it was detected.
And now I will
Bootloader.
use the TFU to
Yeah,
flash.
flashing.
Hmm, a little slow today. So now I'll reboot the board.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get in a new. Uh,
Yeah, use
Let
the
me know.
terminal.
STM. Okay. I'll take the board away here because.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can keep it. You can leave it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah. So it's April 6th. We just did that.
Right. Now you
Uh,
can type help to see if the RZ
Help is
help
here.
or a question mark as well as your type. Yeah,
RZ, SZ.
yeah,
Okay.
they are here.
Let me see. So
Yeah,
George sent here some comments to send the file and to receive the file.
yeah. But before
Uh,
that, you need to mount the tempfs because
okay.
when the ZModem transfer the file, it will be saved in TMP. So you type
Mhm.
tmpfs slash tmp.
Yeah. Okay. Is that right?
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
Now
Let's.
type
Okay.
ls is a there's some issues in the mountain. See, I don't know what happened or who did it, but now when you type mount without parameter, it are complain. I don't know what happened.
So I need to type it.
Yeah,
LSTMP.
no, just
Okay.
ls to confirm the tmp and
Okay. Yeah. So it's here.
yeah.
And it's there.
I think I know why mount is complaining. I think because we didn't mount the procfs, and I don't know if we enable the procfs in the menu config, but don't worry.
Okay, so just a second. I'm receiving the file from George.
Mm-hmm. Just copy it to some place.
Yeah. Okay, I will need another terminal, right? So
Yeah,
open
you
here.
can.
So for now here in
Mm.
the NuttX shell, it's all done for now, right? Now I can
Yeah,
do.
you need to first use the STTY to set up the port configuration, and then you run the RZ to receive the file in the NSH side,
Mm,
and then you transfer it, use the SZ to send ZModem file, to send file over ZMode.
okay, so SZ is also application or yes, an application
Is an
from
application.
Linux
Maybe you
side,
need
right?
to install it if you don't have it.
Let's check.
Just try.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So
No, you
so
have it, I suppose, because
yeah.
you
Yes.
have it.
Okay. Yeah. You're right. So I can just try it, or I didn't get the point to the TTY configuration.
The
Did I need
the
do I need to do it?
STTY configuration is just to set up the right parameters to the port.
The command.
I'm not so convinced that we need to enable it for the USB
Okay.
uh, TTY ACM0, but normally for the serial port, ordinary serial port, we need. And you we
Do you want to try it without that and
I
check?
use it, but maybe you, if you want, try without using it. Could
It's
be a
just
good test as well.
okay. So just sending this command is okay.
Yeah, but don't run it before run the RZ in the NSH.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Sure.
go back to NSH.
So it will keep listening
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
any parameters here.
No, just RZ. Press enter
Okay.
and go
So
back
now
there and put the command. You cannot delay too much, otherwise
okay.
it will time
Uh,
out. Just past,
yeah. Just
press
put
enter.
just put the right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it already transferred. Oh, you in your machine it transferred very fast. In mine, it was slow. I don't know what happened. Yeah.
So
Okay.
right set.
Yeah. It transferred the file, the NuttX logo, and now enter inside CD or cat. It's up to you, but CD
Mm,
TMP
it's here.
is, yeah,
Let's
confirm is
get.
here. Cat NuttX underscore logo dot txt.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool.
It's yeah. So the first part is so now to send back to the PC.
Yeah,
I
you can
just
send back,
right.
but I suggest, for example, maybe, um, yeah. Oh, I was thinking about the idea of um, using the SD card, but I think maybe for today we can just do it very easily. Just use the TempFS. I don't know. If you want to try the SD card, we can try it as well as George did. What do you think?
Uh, well, in fact, I will show you because when I realized that you need a SD card, I put my SD. I try to find some old SD card and put here to format and erase, so it's ongoing for now. So
Oh, you
uh,
select the complete.
yeah, I
Oh,
was
okay.
In fact, was just some button version here that was using in
Uh-huh.
so in some other boards. So, but I don't know why I put the raising, so they are take some time.
Okay,
So
no
yeah,
problem.
I think you can do this offline, and I can put the uh, I can put the how to do this in the documentation as well. So I can generate a new def config there, and I can put
Okay.
in the
Yeah,
documentation, because if someone want to know how to do that, the
yeah,
there's the video from George, right? So
yeah. But the point is the video was in Portuguese, so it will not help so many people from other
yeah.
countries. But yeah,
So up to you, Alan. If you want, we can wait a little to complete this for this
yeah,
erasing the SD card, and while we wait for that, you can configure make
yeah,
the configuration here. Up to
yeah.
you.
We can transfer this file now as well. So
Okay. So
since
from the PC to from the board to the PC now, right?
yeah, so go back to the board. For example,
Okay.
if you want, you can because this file you already have it in your side, right?
Yeah. So let's rename that maybe.
Yeah, good idea. You can rename, or I was thinking
So
maybe
it's
you can modify
only
it, but
works here.
yeah, should work move as well.
Okay. Let's put a V2 here as the and oh, sorry. Of course, I need the origination, the destination.
Yeah,
Sorry for that.
and I think the name you missed the txt. Yeah, space
Okay.
the
So NuttX logo v2.txt. Okay. So now you have the
yeah.
version
Okay,
2
you
here.
have the version 2.
Okay. Okay. So
Now we just
is VI works here?
if you enable it, yeah, but you can if you just want to modify it, you can use
Uh-huh.
the for example echo uh,
Okay.
some words, some for example something you want to add
New
like for
version.
example your name or something like that. No,
Yeah.
quote, you need quote,
Need quote. Okay. Single one or
double, normal
double?
quote.
Okay. New version. So now I don't use the camel case. And to append it to silence.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Append this file name, NuttX logo v2. Yeah,
Okay.
try it.
Ah.
What?
Sorry, the first. Uh, okay, no problem.
Did,
Not right. First code seems to be wrong one.
yeah, you need to press quote and space, otherwise it thinks you are using uh, to create some accent in the file.
Oh my God. Sorry. Sometimes better to
Yeah,
type than copy.
exact.
Okay,
So
let's catch
yeah,
and see the new file. Okay, there's this last line here, new version appended.
yeah,
Okay, so here I need to just type RZ or
yeah. R no RZ.
uh-huh.
Uh, the signal uh, great than like in the
Okay,
yeah like in the yes space slash dev tty acm0 yeah space less than the signal.
Less than
This
this time.
yeah, this one, like in the previous line,
Oh
slash
yeah.
dev.
Okay. So sorry. What this
Uh,
is doing?
Basically, what it is doing is RZ will write some commands to the TTY ACM0, and RZ will read the input from TTY ACM0. Basically, you are saying to RZ to use TTY ACM0 as input and output,
Okay.
because I think it's a pretty old command, because the previous command, because ZModem and so on are from the 80s, and at the time I think they didn't use the idea of defining what the device file you want to use. It was easy to use input and output,
Okay.
but
So let's do
yeah,
that for
yeah. But
so waiting for C.
before you type in, okay, you,
Sorry.
yeah,
I can
you cannot
after.
delay too much there.
Okay. So
You
let's
go back there.
prepare. Let's prepare the command here, right?
Yeah, you need
And
to
here.
SZ to
Okay.
send dash X
Okay.
to define the protocol, is X space 1 to define the
Okay.
binary protocol,
Now
and
the file name,
now
right?
you pass the name of the file, temp NuttX is logo v2.txt.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you
Now
enable
before you
there.
press enter, you go back there.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Okay.
run RZ again.
Okay. So
Yeah,
enter.
press enter here
Enter. Oh,
and go back there. Yeah.
something wrong here.
What?
To see there's a B0 here and it's like I can't. Okay.
Just press enter. Maybe I don't know. Maybe you need to run send before receive. No idea. Yeah,
Okay.
George,
Something get
do you
wrong
remember? I
here.
think we need to, for the NuttX side, you need to run send before the receive.
Uh, I put the commands in the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Take a look there.
But there's something wrong in my board now because you see,
Uh,
I'm typing and I cannot see what I'm
yeah,
typing, and
because
also
it resetted your terminal. You can exit the PicoCon. You can Control C.
something wrong here. Just control.
I don't
Something wrong
how
here.
no, I think not is Control A Z. I don't use PicoCon. I don't know how to leave it, but I think it's Control A Z or Control
Let
A
me
X.
check here.
No, just reset your device and they
Yeah,
close the PicoCon.
other idea as well. It will close PicoCon and you can run it again.
You can close PicoCon using Control AX.
Control AX, or yeah,
Okay,
it's similar
let
to Minicom.
let's try this. Okay, because if I reset the board, I need to mount again, and maybe I can lose the file, right? Or not?
Yeah,
Not
you
sure.
already lose it. You need to transfer it again. If you see, you don't have the type ls space slash.
Something wrong here. Okay. No, it's here because I didn't reset the board this time. I
Uh,
just erased it.
hmm?
That was I meant to say. So I didn't reset the board to. I
How?
just press Ctrl A Z and nothing
Ah,
worked.
okay, okay, understood. Yeah.
So let's go to the comments from uh, George. Thanks, George. So from board to send to the PC, I will need this command here. It's exactly the same command that we already did,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah,
let's try it again.
the same. The
Yeah, I just put the
you just need to pass
oh,
the the name, and actually, I think you need to run send here before receive there, because when you send receive, it mess
mhm.
with the terminal because it already start. Okay,
Okay, so I will not put press enter here. I will
N-
press enter here
there,
first to send,
yeah.
right? So send here, and now
And now go
receiver
back
here.
there. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, yeah, it works.
yeah, and it was very fast, even in in full speed USB.
Okay, it's here, new version.
Cool.
It worked. And okay, just a second. Let's see how is it going. Okay, so the SD card is ready. If you want to try this now, I'm
Yeah,
okay with it. Or
yeah, I think we can try it.
okay, so let's go back to NuttX. I think you need to compare, right? The
Yeah. Do you have a configuration?
mhm, mhm. So I think it's meld.
Meld, yeah.
I need to pass first the current configurations, right? The
Yeah. Dot config and
and
your
then
SD card
I
configuration.
okay ports are STM32 STM32F401.
You cannot. I think you cannot do this way because you are comparing uh, the def config, the compressed config with the full config.
Mm,
Is better to copy your point config now to configure ZModem, for example, and then
I
make this
see.
clean
Okay.
and use the SD card.
So
Co-
first I need to make
Make a
save
backup. Yeah. No, no, no,
def.
no, no.
Okay.
Just copy the current dot config.
Okay. I
Copy
copy the
CP.
I put in the
Yeah,
NuttX space.
yeah,
One. Okay.
yeah. Config ZModem, for example.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. I building the project with the SD card for your board, and I send you to compare.
Okay.
But let George, maybe he can do it to let people know how to do. But Rodrigo,
Okay.
you
Now you
don't,
have. Oh no. Okay.
Rodrigo, copy the point config to, okay, should be point config ZModem. But yeah, now just run, make this to clean.
Okay.
Yeah. And uh, run the board configuration, but instead of using USB NSH, use the SD card configuration.
Okay.
I send the command in the WhatsApp to check.
Hmm. So let's put here in the end SD card.
To, yeah,
Uh, uh,
SD card.
I think. Ah, just a second. Okay.
It's correct.
No, I never. SD card only, right?
You put on double SD card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just remember that this configuration was using not the serial over USB, but the serial over some UART port here. So
Yeah.
you get some difference regarding that.
Yeah. This is why we are doing it now, because if the if your SD card was using the USB, We just
Mhm.
go there, run the menu config and enable the ZModem, and the
Okay.
and we are done. But it's
Okay.
not.
So, yeah, that's right. So now I can compare the .config if .config.
Yeah.
Uh, Okay. So now meld
Dot
.config
config.
here
Yeah.
for, and the .config
SD card.
ZModem here,
As
right?
ZModem. Yeah. Sorry.
Let's see. I never used the meld, so I can just
But
copy from one side to another side.
yeah.
Is that it?
See,
Oh,
move you up again. Go back. See, there is some
this.
small arrows,
Oh,
but
nice.
you need to copy from right to the left, right? Because oh,
Yeah. Oh,
no, actual the opposite, right,
yeah.
George? Because
Yeah, because the SD card is in the left, so you copy some configurations from SD card
from the
to my
left,
configurations in modem.
exactly. And later you need to copy that dot config back to
Back
you
to the.
to dot config.
Okay, that
Yeah,
that's
your
okay.
dot config because George did it differently. So uh, he configured the SD card, copied to other place, and then compare the dot config that was the ZModem with the previous SD card. So at the end, his .config was correct. He didn't need to copy.
hmm
What is the first one?
Okay, so the
Yeah,
SDIO, so you need
you
to
need to
copy,
move,
right?
copy it.
Okay, let's see the next. Oops, sorry.
Yeah,
The next. The SDIO configuration, we need that.
yeah.
Uh, the MMCSD card detect, we need that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this we don't need. Config SCAD
Uh,
gear key monitor, not sure.
no, you don't need.
Okay.
It's not needed.
Uh, EV thread, seek EV thread, not sure.
Um, I cannot see the. Okay, you can copy it because the card you need it.
Okay, so just this
Yeah, the blue.
this
Yeah,
oh, the blue.
yeah. Move to the next.
Next, buffer alignment, BCH buffer
Yeah,
alignment.
we need.
Sorry, we need. Okay. Uh, so STDIO, I think we need everything
Mm-hmm.
here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And serial console, no.
No. Everything related
No.
to serial, you just pass over it
Okay.
and don't enable it.
The USB dev, yes, right? Oh, no.
No, because you already have
Yeah.
the USB working, so you don't.
FSCIO.
AIO, right?
AIO. Yeah.
You can copy, but it's not too much relevant.
And the FS fetch for sure, right?
Yeah. Temp
Temp
FPS you can
FPS.
keep. No, okay.
Oh, sorry.
No, no problem. You can
I can undo
we,
here.
we cannot do. We don't need
Okay.
it anyway.
Yeah.
But you can keep if you
And
want. Yeah.
yeah, because that was the where we did some changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
The FS proc FS.
I think it's a good idea because we can mount. You can see the free.
Main pool FS proc FS good mempool. MIDI, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No,
No.
we're not interested. Buttons, no. Okay.
No.
FSU to
Yeah.
make it fat FS, yes. No. Config and NSH disable FD info. No, not sure.
Um, this one is just forcing not to disable the because it's like double negative. Disable not. So you can. It's up to you. You can copy it because it's not offensive. It not
Okay,
make any bad things.
so this.
These others too as well.
Okay,
And I think after that we have only one or two modifications.
MM,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
yes. Proc, yes, right?
Yep.
One point.
And more one or two. Okay.
No,
No need.
no,
No need.
no.
Also no.
Okay,
Okay.
finish.
Finish. You can
Uh,
save. Save this one.
oops.
Oops.
That's,
Just
okay, so
just
the save button is not enabled here, so
see there is a in the front of the name where you are trying to. This side, the right side.
okay.
See, yeah.
You
See
mean here?
the other the other in front of the name before the name.
Ah, okay. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. So before I close that, let me just double check for some.
Yeah. I think now you just need to copy the dot config ZModem to your dot config, just to replace it, and Control
Okay.
L to clear the screen because it's too in the bottom.
Uh, Let me just check something here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, SIO or okay, so just make sure it's saved before leaving the melt.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now you can copy it to your.
now I'll close this, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And now I'll copy this to my
Your current dot config.
config. Okay, now I can. Sorry for that, but okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Now you
Now
can just
let's make
you can do like George did. Make clean first. Make it clean dash J.
make clean just J. Okay.
Yeah, to clear maybe because some files
Mhm.
can be
Now
messed.
make okay.
Yeah, and let's see. Mm-hmm.
I'll let me unmount my
Mm-hmm. Ah, your SD
uh,
card.
yeah.
Uh, we can you can share your board because the screen's not in the. You can move
Okay.
and show connecting the SD card.
Okay. So it's here, and I get the card here, and let me put this here.
Yeah. And
Okay.
now,
But now it to flash, right?
yeah, put the board in DFU mode.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, should be there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's there. So let's do the following. Let's clear a little here and use the DFU.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
yeah, now we can.
Let's go back to the terminal. Uh,
You need to reset the board.
yeah, sure. Without that, we cannot. Okay. Yeah, it's here. I'll take,
Yeah.
for now, I'll take this out because it's not clear
Yeah,
to see the.
not necessary. And now you can try to mount the ProcFS. Yeah,
I get the documentation because I don't remember.
yeah. I am your documentation.
Yeah.
George also is the
Okay.
documentation at that point.
So let's do it. Okay.
Yeah, I suggest first mount the ProcFS because it can give you more information. Mount
Okay. Mhm.
dash T ProcFS space slash proc. Okay, try it. Okay. Now I think if you try mount, it will work. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And now you can mount the SD card, but let's see if the SD card was detected. ls slash dev. Yeah. Okay, it's there. George, do you remember the command line to mount? Let's force your brain. Don't uh,
Uh,
don't do trick. Try to remember from the top of your mind.
I open here the message that I sent.
Let me ask ChatGPT so they can.
I no, I can
Uh,
mount.
I just
Just
remember the
kidding.
beginners mount minus T, né?
Yeah,
I don't remember if the
vfat because you are mount
yes.
the fat file system virtual
Okay, so let me do
Mm-hmm.
that. Mount minus T
minus
vfat.
t vfat slash
The unit, right?
yeah
Barra dev.
slash dev
Mhm.
slash
Slash mmcs d0.
0.
Yes.
But now instead of mount to mnt, you mount to slash tmp because the ZModem use the slash tmp to save the files. Okay, so it's
So I need to pass another argument here.
yeah space slash tmp.
Okay,
That's it.
that right?
Yeah, let's see
Okay,
what happened.
Uh,
Okay,
okay,
your screen
yeah,
disappear here for a few seconds.
okay.
Okay, now you can type ls slash tmp to see what's there. Okay, it's empty, but
Yeah.
should be the SD card. Actually, yeah, I was.
So I don't, didn't. You mean it should have a
No,
folder
no.
here?
Normally, when you format in
Okay,
Windows,
yeah.
it Windows copies some files to there, but Linux normally don't do that. So
Okay.
you can try the transfer again. Just type RZ and use the same SZ from your Linux machine.
Okay, so now, just a second. I'll go back here one, and we are going to
Yeah,
use the NuttX logo.
yeah,
So I'll copy the command here, and in fact,
yeah.
yeah,
You
okay,
you don't
you
need,
should not.
yeah, don't need the dot dot.
And I, okay, so when I send from the PC to the board, I need you to wait. I need to start
Run
the
the RZ. Yeah,
RZ first, right?
yeah,
But in the opposite,
yeah. You do first there, first here. Actually, just remember, you always start from the NSH.
okay,
Yeah,
got it. So let's do it.
and
Yeah, okay, it was
no,
fine.
it seems like it failed. It said
Well,
transfer fail.
a lot of
Yeah,
what's wrong here?
I don't know what happened.
Hmm, okay,
Any idea,
maybe
George, why it's not working?
Uh,
It says it transferred the file, but try to run ls.
in the board, right?
Yeah,
I think yes, you need to start with the board RZ.
It's there.
yeah. You seems it was transferred, but it says transfer incomplete.
Do you think the timeout? Uh, there is a timeout, and the
Could
timeout.
could be, but you was fast. Yeah, it cannot.
Okay, let's try once again. RZ. Let's first remove this file
Yeah,
because it's corrupted.
or maybe you need to run that TTY STTY to set up the right parameters. But I remember you did in it previously.
The first time it was not
Yeah, and it
right.
worked strange. But try
Okay,
again.
let's try once again. RZ here
Yeah,
and the command here. So I will press IC RZ and go.
yeah,
Okay,
and try it.
those two
Same error.
same. Yeah.
Uh,
Do you change the size of the packet to transfer?
hmm? But
It's the same
The size?
configuration.
yeah, the
So
same. He didn't change the configuration.
No,
Remember,
do you increase
he
the size of the buffer
he
of
did it
the
the
book?
first time.
yeah.
Remember when you used the tempfs.
Okay.
Just an idea. Try to move out of the TMP. Just a suggestion. I don't know if make different, but I
You
think yeah,
you
yeah,
mean
yeah. No, it's right. You
but
are
I'm in the root.
yeah, you are already in another place. But anyway, enter inside TMP.
Okay,
Let's do the opposite. I was thinking. Try ls, remove it
let
because with George it works correctly when we did it.
okay, so now I'm in the TMP
Yeah,
and
try
RC
RZ.
here. Okay, let's put the
Do a little bit different. Run RZ, wait a little bit, just a little bit, and run this command.
okay, just okay, it's not corrupted.
No,
Okay,
not corrupted.
uh, so let's clean here. I will okay, it's ready. So first RZ, right?
Yeah,
Wait a little, like 5
yeah,
seconds. Okay,
yeah. 2 3 seconds because it prints
okay,
some message.
okay. So
Yeah, remember George, it prints some.
mm,
No,
it's not working. And it is like printing. Okay.
Yeah, it's print the content, but when George type it in the Linux board,
Uh,
it printed
for
the some message.
for me, it seems like they are getting the input from the file and try to apply as a command. You see, they are
Yeah,
trying to apply the
exactly.
input from the file and put it as a command in the shell.
Yeah, it seems like they are not communicating correctly.
Oh, sorry.
What?
Okay. Do you think I need to do something like RZ and
No,
put this in a file
no,
instead of the use as a command?
no.
Now
Okay.
in the example we just use the RZ.
What is wrong? What?
Give me
It's
30
strange
seconds,
because
please.
when when I type the RZ, they show a different message.
Yeah, it should print.
B08.
Yeah, it should print that message. That's the point I was saying.
Let me
Mm.
try change here to test again to see.
Uh, Rodrigo, try again. Type RZ, wait 5 seconds or more, and try to wait it print the something before you send anything.
Okay, so just a second, please. I will do that in a few seconds. Just need to do something here, just a little fast. Sorry. Sorry. Okay.
Do you this STR it's working? Do you format them before using?
Yeah, I think we need to test the SD card first because could be some other things in the SD card, and because the ZModem was working when you use the temp.
Yeah, because I think when they enter to start to write the file, they fail and exit.
Yeah, probably.
Guys, sorry, I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay. What did you ask? Oh, no, sorry for that. It was
No problem.
no.
Try a different idea. Try to write something to your SD card.
Okay, so echo.
Yeah, quote
Uh, so should be in the temp. Let's see.
the
I think
string
I'm
first.
right here. Okay. Yeah. So echo the string first. Uh, just a test. Very creative.
Yeah,
Now here, and I should
the test.txt, for example.
text. Okay. Let's test the test.
Mm-hmm. And let's see.
Okay. So
Yeah,
the it's working.
yeah.
The, since it's working.
Uh, Try RZ again and wait
Mhm.
until it timeout without sending anything, just to confirm.
Okay.
Yeah, in when George tested in his board, when he typed RZ,
Hmm.
it prints some string like
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am
I
waiting.
think it. Yeah, I think in the test without the SD card, it's
It did
also
it.
did that. Oh,
Now,
now it's did it.
yeah, try again and try to send now. Yeah, yes.
Oh,
No, incomplete. What is it? Why it's failing in this case?
yeah. Do you want to check the configuration if it's something wrong?
Yeah, but I think we can do another test. you can amount the temp, move out of the temp, for example,
Okay.
yeah, and amount, you mount, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, try it.
Oh, it's not
How,
that.
um,
I don't remember how to.
I think you has mount just.
without
You
M,
mount.
yeah,
Okay.
without N,
Okay. Thanks, George. Yeah. So
yeah,
ls doesn't have.
okay,
Okay.
doesn't exist. Now mount the temp fs again. Mount,
Uh,
uh,
um,
minus T,
mhm.
uh, temp fs slash temp,
Okay.
yeah, and try RZ again and let's see.
Okay. So, do I need to go inside the temp or
No,
just here? No.
no, it
They
should
get
work.
by default. Yeah.
Yeah, it should
Okay.
work
So
from any place.
RC. Oh,
Complete.
Ah, it's not
yeah.
work.
Yeah, it is something with the SD card, but I don't know why in the Linux board it's working, in this board
I
it's not.
remember that you executed a proc FS. You first order model of one mount before this other. I
But
don't know if you remember. Proc, I think you executed mount proc FS
but only here, right?
before.
In
Yes,
your,
but after that you executed a second mount to the SD card. I don't remember the sequence now, but I think we did this.
but we did it here as well.
Okay, now it's working.
Yeah,
Now it's in the SD card, right?
no, it's not in SD card. Is working because it's TMPFS,
Th-
right? Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah. That's right. That's right.
Mm,
I think if I type mount, I
yeah,
can see.
actually, for example, mount now the SD card to MNT, and let's just copy the file to there and confirm if it works for big card as well.
Okay. So mount.
Mount
Oh, sorry. Mount. Uh,
vfat, no,
of fat. First. Okay. Then.
slash dev mmcsd0
Okay.
space slash mnt.
Okay.
Okay, right. Now try to copy the
Okay.
enter inside tmp if you are not there.
Okay.
ls, yeah, copy this
Oh,
NuttX dot logo to there, to mnt slash mnt,
okay.
yeah, and now ls slash mnt or cd, yeah, it's there.
Mhm.
Okay. um what we can do now, um now move uh, to slash to the root and amount the mnt. Amount, yeah, umt, okay.
Okay.
I'm thinking on crazy idea. Actually, we can mount the SD card again but to TMP without a mount the TMP. Try it. Mount
Mm-hmm.
uh, dash T vfat slash dev slash mmc sd0 slash tmp. Let's see if it will accept mount it.
Failed.
Fail.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it's already mounted.
Is everything okay here? MMC CSD0.
Yeah. Uh, try a mount tmp and try mount it
Okay, so now TMP, right?
slash tmp. Sorry.
Right. Yeah. And now, do you think I can copy?
Copy.
Let's
Yeah. Copy that line.
Okay. So
Yeah.
when I last TMP, you have two files here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can remove this NuttX logo.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Hmm.
Okay.
And yeah, let's try it.
Try again.
Yeah, let's try the last time, and later, if it doesn't work, we need to do more investigation later. Compare
Yeah.
the config from George, from the George board.
Okay.
I
So
think
I will
that
start
will work.
RC. No.
No,
No.
incomplete.
This time I wait for that message. Okay.
Okay.
RC. Let's wait for that message.
Mm, Another test. Try reset your board and
And
type the last command to mount to the SD card to TMP.
yeah,
Okay.
but
No. No.
no. Before we reset the board, I suggest you to amount because the SD card normally can corrupt if
Okay.
you
So
yeah
mount.
Just
Okay.
uh,
yeah
So
reset the
now.
board.
Okay. Let's reset
No, no,
that.
no. Do you reset the board?
not
No.
yet.
No. Just did it. Yeah. Just did it now.
Okay. Try again.
Okay. So let's start from the beginning. Mount.
Just check if they not mount the alias, right? If you type alias bar alias slash.
No.
Yeah,
Just the dev part.
yeah. Just mount the SD card without using the procfs like we did. So just
Okay. Just this command, right?
yeah
Yes.
Okay. Let's try.
yeah rz and the other.
No. Same thing.
Yeah,
Mm,
strange. Yeah, there's some detail that should be in the SD card, in the configuration to the SD card. And
uh, I sent my def config for Rodrigo to their check to compare before.
Okay. So. Uh, so this is the def config. So I cannot compare if
No,
dot config, right?
yes, just to check if there are nothing different.
So I need first to do my def config as well. so I can
Yeah,
convert the.
the
Okay.
Yes,
compressed.
just type meld.config and a point for this other file.
But one is complete, George, and other is compacted. So it's difficult to see
Uh,
the difference. He need to
okay.
save def config. Uh, Rodrigo,
Mm,
save def config.
Save. Yeah, I missed the save. Sorry. So make save def config.
Yeah,
Now I can compare the def config temp def config to George's def config. Right?
yeah.
Okay. A lot of difference because you have different ports. So let's try to see if you have something related to.
Yeah, normally it should
So
be.
in the left is my config, and in the right is George config. Okay. Sorry, Alan. Please go ahead.
No, yeah. See uh, the George enabled the grain um, schedule, the grain memory, this config grain. Let to see if you have it. I think you didn't.
Here,
Yeah,
this one here.
yeah.
How to I can find here?
Hmm?
I can.
Yeah, if you can use the search. Click in the left side and Control F and search for that.
Find.
But in the left side, you are searching the right
Okay.
side.
Okay. So
Click in the middle of the screen of the left side.
yeah, I clicked here. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Just in the middle, just to select the left side and Control F.
Okay.
Now you can search the grain. I think it's not enabled, right?
Mm-mm. Just double check if my sorry if my search is working. Okay, I can find the have. Now I try the gram. No, it's not.
Yeah. Just clicking the arrow moving from the right to the left to enable the gram.
They you
Yeah.
they you add this or they you replace the have?
Yeah, you can replace it directly.
I mean, if I click here, they
Yeah,
you
it will replace.
overwrite,
Yeah.
and is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay, so that one changed. Anything else do you want to check or just go?
See, other thing I am notice is this SDIO wait right through. I don't know why you are not enabled.
Sorry, I didn't get where is that one?
Is the yeah this
SDI.
green, yeah, near where your mouse is, this green area. See, there is sorry, not that area. Now I yeah, the green in the bottom. Yeah, the SDIO wait right complete.
Okay, that one.
Yeah, try to put, but only this line because the region you cannot use.
Uh,
You
I
can,
put the
yeah,
two, then I erase the
yeah,
regions, right?
should be okay if you do this way.
So I put here and then I erase this line here.
Yeah,
Okay. OTG, no. Run size, no. RTC, no. Mm, this SDMMC1 SDIO mode.
no, don't need.
Okay. I think that's all. There's nothing else.
Yeah, let's see. Maybe it's only it that was missing,
Okay.
and
So I'll save
save
here.
it.
And how I can build from a def config now?
You need to copy your def config, for example, to some. You need to create some config for it. You can
Okay, so
call it
let's
ZModem, for example. Yeah, create a board, your board name,
so
config, ZModem, mkg, yeah,
oops.
F4. Oh, sorry, F401.
Yeah, I missed the okay configs
ZModem ou
superior
qualquer ou
access
any other mod name.
modem.
Yeah.
Okay, now I copy def config file to this big place here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's me just make sure it's there. Okay,
Yeah.
and I'll make this distinct screen.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay,
And now, yeah, you can
oh,
compile.
it's taking long. Okay, NSH, but in fact I want this modem. Okay, let's make this. Let's put the board already in. Okay, some warnings. Okay, the fuel. Oh, oh, sorry. Okay, okay, let's reset the board. Access the shell. So let's mount uh, 10, 10 FS, right?
Uh, if you want, you can mount directly the VFAT, right?
Okay, the VFAT. Let me,
Slash dev mmcsd0.
oh yeah, sorry. I was thinking about the temp FS. Okay, so dev mmc sd0 barra temp, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's see what we have in temp. Let's move.
Yeah.
Okay. RZ.
Yeah. RZ
That
and try to send it.
I put here. Okay, it's. Let's put RZ. Mm,
No.
that
Same issue.
no. No.
Yeah.
Just a second. Sorry for that. I will be off 1 second. Okay.
Mm-hmm. An idea, George, what could be?
For me, it's different because they show some messaging before start. So
Yeah,
when you type the RZ, can I show here in my screen
yeah, you
to
can share your
explain better?
screen.
Let me back, guys.
Okay. George is going to show in his board. But
Okay,
you are
nice.
show in the Lino or in your...
And the Lino, just
Okay.
to show what
How
the
it's
settings
happened.
that
Yeah,
happen.
good idea.
Yes. For example, if you reset the hardware here,
Mm-hmm. Mount the SD card like Rodrigo did.
yes. Wait a minute, I'm copying the comment here.
Yeah.
It's here. After that, where is the comment that I sent?
Yeah.
For example, aqui eu type RZ.
Yeah.
No, they show this in the end just
Okay.
a few
Yeah.
days. But
After
here
after
they transfer the.
after finishing the transfer. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's similar, but in your case it
Ah,
works to copy to the SD card, but for Rodrigo it's not working. And yeah, Rodrigo, I think we need more investigation and
Mm-hmm.
compare what could be. But at least we know it working uh, in the Linux board, and it's a good thing. So we can do.
And also, yeah,
Yeah,
and also the ZModem is working at least in the temp FS, right?
yeah. Actually,
Not
for
too bad.
example, if you want to, if you go is transfer the file to the SD card, we already did it because you copy to the temp and then copy.
Just need one more step, right?
Yeah, but we need to find why it's not working, and we need to investigate what is missing in your config, or uh, what is making the difference. So
Okay, maybe you can do this offline, and then the next live I just show it's
yeah,
working, and you
I
can
agree.
comment what wrong.
Yeah, because probably it will delay some hours, some time to do
Hmm.
more tests to investigate it.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's all for today.
Yeah, but it let's say it half of the way, because we get the Z modem working, but we saw it's not working directly to SD card. And yeah, so Rene, this is your first time here. What you think? What was your idea for this event, for this live? What?
It's my first time here, and I like it very much to show how the NuttX work with this microcontroller. And here in my job, uh, I it has a lot of synergy what we do in the agricultural sector, and I believe this is a market that really need a NuttX.
Yeah. I,
And uh, I will try to look it for applications on machines where we can apply a NuttX and share them with you so we can show them here in this space.
oh, that's really nice, because yeah, as you said, NuttX has many features that can be used to create some more advanced features, like we have in Linux, but using some low cost microcontroller, for example, right?
Right? we have in my company we have an application that uses free RTOS to run some service, for example, GPS
Mm-hmm.
and plant monitor. And I think the NuttX is a good application for this process.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. And yeah, and it is nice to have you here. And I hope next week you receive your board and you can follow the steps together.
I think I think the board is arrived today here.
Yeah,
I'm in Ribeirão Preto.
yeah.
Nice.
I think it's already in Ribeirão Preto, but they didn't deliver it on time for this live. But yeah, for the next, and also maybe it's better because during the week you can follow the previous live, the previous video that we create, and you can follow the steps that Rodrigo and George and I did in the past. If you have
Okay,
time after your daily job, of course.
okay. I would like to thank you, George and Alan and Rodrigo for accepting me into group, and I hope to contribute the community.
We are glad that you came and you are participate here because the idea is to have more people, to have uh, um, more developers working on that and share experience. Because as you saw today, um, sometimes the things not work directly as we planned, so we need to investigate and discover why it's not working and why is working some board and not working our board. And it's a little bit we think, oh, it's a little bit difficult to do that, but it's also very good when you get things working. So this this search is what differentiates some people from others, because when you start to do it, you start to do Git bitstack and getting more experience, find the issues, you get more confidence, so you can fix issues very fast in the future. So it's something that improve your our skills.
Great.
Okay. Thank you, René.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
George.
Thank you
you,
guys.
man.
Thank you, Rodrigo. See
See
you
you next week.
next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye
Bye.
bye.
Ok, já fechei aqui.
Opa, pessoal.